Hello, Ivan. Well, Jaguar. Crooked suspension after accident, whatever. So here's what I came up with. Now this is the good side of the car. 2 3/4 to the corner. This is the side that was about ½ inch out. Well, 2 5/8, actually even better. So about 1/8 of an inch difference now. After I move the suspension, after I moved the subframe, plus I moved all these bolts to the max position where it's kind of here's what I got as far, and I'm sure this is wrong. This is just kind of getting an idea. So the wheel sits straight with the line with the front wheels, and this is probably gonna be wrong. I don't know what the toe specifications on this car. It's either got to be negative or I just have no idea. I just made them straight for right now to kind of compare and see what is going on. I made it equal on both sides, like that, so yeah, you can see it, front, back. As far as the camber, we are checking somewhat like that. 10mm socket here in the low spot of the tire, just about level. Let's go to the side that was out a lot. Put the socket in the same spot. Voila! Did I make it work? I think so. So, I don't know. The only thing that's really out is the camber. Not the toe-in. I have no idea what kind of a toe-in is required on this suspension on this car. I just zeroed it out to the front wheels, and I honestly don't know if the axle width is the same. So I could be completely wrong, but the complaint was that the wheel sits like that, and now I am able to adjust both sides in the same angle. So I think from here, maybe it's good enough. Probably he still needs an alignment or at least specifications of an angles, but for right now I think that's much better than it used to be. All right, thank you.